Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, find the middle term or terms in the expansion of this binomial. So, you have to find the middle terms. You can observe that in the expansion of this 3x minus x cube by 6 raised to power 7, there are 8 terms, and if you have even number of terms, then you have two middle terms. So your middle terms will become will be your 8 upon 2th term and 8 upon 2 plus 1th term, that is 4th term and 5th term. So you are going to find out two terms. Your 4th term will be when take r is equals to 3. In your expression n is 7s, n c r, x is 3x, x raised to power n minus r, and y is minus x cube by 6, y raised to power r, and that is equals to 7 factorial upon 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial, that is 4 factorial. 3 raised to power 4 into x raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power 3 can be taken out. X raised to power 3 raised to power 3 will become x raised to power 9 upon 6 raised to power 9, and that is equals to minus 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 4 factorial, and this can be written as 3 raised to power 4, or we can say 3 raised to power 2. तो 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 2 के साथ आप 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 4 इंटू इन दोनों को आप कंबाइन कर सकते हैं, एंड 6 रेस्ट टू पावर 9 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 रेस्ट टू पावर 9 इंटू 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 9. ओके, एंड दिस विल कैंसिल आउट, 6 will also cancel out, and you are left with this is minus 35, 7 5s are 35, और डिनोमिनेटर में 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 4 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यू विल गेट 2 रेस्ट टू पावर 9 इंटू 3 रेस्ट टू पावर 5 x रेस्ट टू पावर 13, and this is your first middle term. Now find the second middle term, that is your 5th term, and 5th term is take r as 4. So 7c4 3x raised to power 7 minus 4 and minus x cube by 6 raised to power 4, and that is equals to 7 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 7 minus 4 is 3 factorial. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 raised to power 3 into x raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 4 is positive. So x raised to power 12 upon 6 raised to power 4, and that can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 4 factorial, and this is 3 raised to power 3 into x raised to power 15, और 6 raised to power 4 को आप 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 4 लिख सकते हैं. तो आपका 4 factorial will cancel out, 6 will also cancel out, and you are left with 7 5s are 35 and x raised to power 15 और डिनोमिनेटर में एक 3 आ जाएगा एंड 2 रेस्ट पावर 4 इज 16. 16 3 जा 48 and this is your answer.